Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best faucet website. You can claim your free faucet from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. This website pay you Litecoin, this much Litecoin every 7 minutes. This website pay you 25 times claim per day. First of all, you go to your faucet, go to deposit, copy your Litecoin wallet address. This is your Litecoin wallet address. Just copy this one. Okay, you can double click, you can copy, or you can click one time, you can copy. Okay, come here, paste it, come down, just click login, then come down, solve this letter capture. After solving the capture, just click login, just solve this letter capture too, and just please wait 3 seconds and just click get reward. This website pay you instantly in your faucet pay without any second. You can go to your faucet pay and come down. You can see this website pay me my free satoshi. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is a free way earning websites. Bye bye for now.